Hey everybody, I'm Maureen Dinkins and today I will be showing you the proper way to do Suryanamaskara B or Sun Salutation B. In the Ashtanga Yoga sequence, we start out with 8 to 10 Sun Salutations, 5 Suryanamaskara A's, which I already have a tutorial of, you can check that out. And then once you get strong enough at Sun Salutation A, then you move on to Suryanamaskara B. We normally do 3 of these, but you can do up to 5 if you need to. These help build strength and flexibility in the body. They also help to create a rhythmic breath, so that that breath we use in our Sun Salutations we keep throughout the rest of our yoga practice. It warms the muscles and it heats the body from within. So let's get started. The first pose is called Samastitihi. In Samastitihi, bring your feet together so that they're touching. Bring your arms down by your sides. Stand up nice and tall. We're going to bend at the knees, sinking the hips as low as we can without lifting the heels. Inhale, bring your hands up over your head. Press your palms together and look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, hands to the floor. Bow your head, straighten your legs, and bring your head to your knees. Inhale, look forward, keeping the hands on the floor. Step or jump back to a plank position and exhale, lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Step your right foot between your hands, pivot and plant your left foot to the floor. Inhale, come all the way up, palms together, look at your thumbs. This is a long exhale to the floor. And then step your right leg back and lower. That's one exhale. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Step your left foot between your hands, pivot and plant your right. Inhale, come up to warrior one or Virabhadrasana. Exhale, hands to the floor, leg back and lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Normally holding here for 5 deep breaths. At the end of your 5th breath, you're going to step or jump your feet between your hands. Inhale, half lift, keeping the hands or fingers on the mat. Exhale, head to knees. Bend your knees, plant your belly on your thighs. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, standing, Samastitihi. Okay, so that's your basic Sun Salutation B or Suryanamaskara B. I'm going to show you an advanced version so that once you get a little bit stronger and you've practiced Suryanamaskara A and B enough times, you can do it like this. Feet together, start in Samastitihi. Bend the knees. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, fold forward, straight legs, kiss the knees. Inhale, look forward, notice my hands are flat, jump back. Exhale, lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Right foot forward, pivot the left. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, hands flat, lower down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Step your left foot forward, pivot your right. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, hands to the floor, leg back, lower down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Hold for 5 breaths. At the end of your 5th breath, bend your knees, jump, inhale, half lift. Exhale, head to knees. Bend your knees, plant your belly on your thighs. Inhale, hands up, palms together, look at your thumbs. Exhale, Samastitihi. And that's where you end. So I hope this helped you build your practice, your yoga practice, and learn a couple Sun Salutations along the way. I hope you have a happy yoga journey.